You might have noticed when you guys were in the room, and even more so now, that some of the club members are wearing flaming shirts. We actually made these in the ideation lab using the sublimation printing process because we wanted to have something that unified us as a club. A lot of teams at the competition had like polos with like a little logo, and we wanted to stand out, and that we did.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by STCU.
Okay, it looks like we are ready to get things going. Thank you for coming out. We have a manufacturing technology program and mechanical engineering that are very closely interfaced. This is our materials lab. Our engineering students and our manufacturing students come in here where they get to learn about material properties. We have heat treatment ovens, tensile testers, a microscope.
Right here we have two cutting board samples. This first one here we have taken through our finishing pass so you can see the 3D eagle. This one right here we've taken our rough and pass on, and we're currently taking a small ball nose to it to do our finishing work. What this allows us to do is make a 3D rendering with the CNC machine after we have taken basic woodworking tools and make a cutting board.
So obviously our manufacturing students spend a lot of time in this room. They'll get work on manual lathes and vertical mills, and then we have CNC equipment.
Welcome to our ideation lab. The purpose of this lab is to promote innovation, to promote entrepreneurship, and to show our students that what they're learning here is not just how to solve homework problems, but we want them building real products, and if they have an innovative idea, starting their own business around it.
This is our rocket, Project Inferno, which flew 11,500 feet. We had to make our rocket more stable than most because it was getting off the launch pad at a slower velocity, so it needed higher stability to compensate, which is why you might notice that it bows in a little bit. That was a completely custom process that we had to learn the manufacturing for ourselves. And then what I think we're both most proud of is the fins, which are made of 26 plies of carbon fiber pre-preg.
Welcome to the Industrial Robotics Lab. This is my playground. So all of our mechanical engineering and mechanical engineering technology students take at least one class in this lab.
One of my friends built this, and so what he did is he created a program that does a pick and place. He decided that he wanted to assemble a car.
What it does is a vision software actually understands the part, then picks it up and moves it to the Pictionary's location.
My favorite part about teaching robotics is just how interdisciplinary it is. You need the mechanical side, you need the electrical side, you need the programming. And so for me, that's what's really exciting, is we get to solve really cool, complex problems. And that's what I love about robotics.
This Manufacturing Week Bus Tour Spotlight was presented by STCU.